Hey guys, welcome back to another episode. In this video, I'm gonna let you know the ways to send Ronin to Binance. So in order to send Ronin to Binance, you just have to follow the steps. First of all, you have to go and log into your Binance account. So over here, you need to go to the Wallets tab and select Deposit. On this page, you need to go in and select Deposit Cryptos. So type in the asset that you're depositing. Let's go with USDD. So select that, and then you need to go with the Binance chain, and over here you need to go ahead and copy the wallet address. When you're done copying the wallet address, exit out of your Binance, go ahead and log in into your Ronin account. When you're logged into your Ronin, that's going to take you to the home page. From the home page, you need to go ahead and press on send. So select the asset that you're sending, then enter the exact amount that you are willing to send, confirm all of the information, and initiate the transaction. So with that, you'll have notified that you've successfully sent Ronin to Binance. That's all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.